So we're gonna go ahead and blow this up a little bit here because this is what Gemluva loves to do. Like, my ganas are coming out, bro. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to review the eyeliner duo from Sheglam and some palettes that I have here. But before we begin, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. If you are not, I want to thank Sheglam for collaborating with me. Once again, thank you guys so much. Let's go ahead and just begin. Okay guys, we're going to start off with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and we're going to put it on our eyeballs. This is in the shade Fairest. I hope you guys ain't going to follow my tutorial because I don't know what look I'm going to do with all these 4 palettes. I hope you guys ain't making fun of my hair right now because, dude, like, my ganas are coming out, bro. All right, guys, now that I look a little crazy, let's go ahead and begin. I have the Sheglam Splash Bash palette. It was hard to say. What color are we going to start with? I am so excited because I have no idea what I'm going to do, but let's just go with it, right? So what I'm going to do is do a different look on one eye, and then on the other 2 palettes, I'm going to do a different look on this eye. Let's do Lap of Luxury. This one right here. Okay, all right. Okay, well, that's a beautiful color. It does have some pigment to it, and you know how I am. I'm gonna end up putting a lot, that's for sure. I actually like the way the color is coming out. It's really pigmented. Sheglam, I love it. Oh, I knew you guys weren't gonna disappoint because I knew the palettes were gonna be really pigmented, and I should not be surprised by that. Let's go with this color right here, Sail Away. All right. Oh, it's coming in, you guys. This is gonna look so juicy. I love it already. Let's go ahead and go with this color, Quick Drip Eyeball, as a transition color. Very so neatly. There is a little bit of fallout. That is no issue with me. Let's go ahead and blend this color in now. Here we are. This is a purple and this is a Violet Vision palette. Ooh, this is pretty. Let's do a meet me halfways right here. I'm gonna put this on my outer V right here. Ooh, look at that. I got a darker color on there, bro. Oh my gosh, this is gonna look so delicious. This color right here, Enchanting. We're gonna enchant and we are going to marry it with this purple, kind of dye it down just a little bit. Oh my god, look at the colors. Blend these colors together so everything looks seamlessly. Sheglam, these colors blend so easily that I think I'm going crazy. I'm gonna take this Meet Me Halfways and I'm gonna put it on the bottom right here. Bro, this is gonna look really nice. If anybody knows me, I just love to put a lot of eyeshadow right here on the bottom because I like to blow my eyes out. Let's go to Love Potion and put this right here next to this one right here. Is this even showing up? Because I can't even tell. We're going to see if we could put Crystal Baller right here on the lid. So we're going to put this on the lid, and I hope I'm not going to need any glue at all because, oh my gosh. Can you guys see it? Feels like it's a little tacky, so that's not a bad sign at all. I love it. Look at that glitter. Okay guys, we're gonna go to the next palette. This one is actually called Hello Yellow. I am so excited, and I've never tried different greens, like darker greens. I've always tried like bright green. Okay, let's take Night Shift right here. See what we're gonna work with. Oh my, wow, that is really pigmented. Oh my gosh. This is more like an avocado green. So we're going to go ahead and blow this up a little bit here because this is what Gemluva loves to do. Let's dapper do just a little bit more right here. So we're going to fluff this out just a little bit. Yes, honey, you're going to be looking like an avocado salad. So we're going to go with Stormy here, and I'm going to put this like on my inner corner in the outer V. That adds a little bit of darkness, not too bad. So it turns it a little bit dark, and that's what I wanted right here in the corner because we do want some dimension. This one right here is called Quick Chick. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's like a really light green. I hope it's coming out on the camera because I can't tell. Let's blend these 2 colors out together so we can marry them. And you know what I mean? Like, they're gonna get married and have little babies and whatnot. Flow in nice and juicy like. You don't even have to worry about making dinner tonight because you already have avocado salad over here. So let's take this martini right here, put it like right above a little bit above this color here. We can put a little bit of the Night Shift and mesh it all together. And then you just kind of blend these two together. Oh my gosh, this is gonna turn out really pretty. Hint of Mint palette from Sheglam. Oh, hello, honey. Let's try out this Midnight Snack right here on the bottom, on the lower lash line right here. Just because I want to see. We're going to put some extra guac on the lid. Ooh, oh my gosh. Okay, okay. So you got to pack this on. Oh my gosh, there it goes. There it goes. Hello, where have you been? I'm going to go back and put a little bit more of this one right here that I first put on. Can you guys see it? Man, I hope you guys can see it. I'm going to dip into the Supernova and put this in the inner corner. So I did wet it. So with this one right here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go with frosting right here. It looks like it's kind of unicorny. I don't know if that makes any sense at all, but there is some fallout, guys, and I'm not gonna lie, there is some fallout. I'm gonna blend this out so that way we can do the eyeliner next and the lashes. I did not think that this was gonna turn out good. Here we have the Sheglam Wing It Waterproof Liner Duo. This is what it looks like. Oh, this is like a stamp thing. We're going to stamp it on our lids. Okay, I've never used this before, so this is going to be my first time. Let's see how horrible this is going to be. We're going to stamp it, right? Do we stamp it first? What? Has a little tippy tip. So that's what that one looks like. So this has a felt tip, and we're gonna go ahead and go over it, I guess. We can if we want. So this felt tip is really soft and it's not hard on your eyes. Wow, look at that. Oh, okay, okay. So I'm gliding it, and it's a lot better when I glide it. Comment down below if you guys have one of these, and let me know if you guys liked it or not. Here we go. So this is a Sheglam Never Flat eyelashes. These are magic long lasting 24 hours. So this is what they look like. Hold on, let me put my lashes on. All right, here goes nothing. I'm gonna try and see if I can put these lashes on. Can you guys see it? I didn't even put my mascara yet. I'm gonna go ahead and put my mascara on and put the rest of my face, and I will be back. Okay guys, I'm back. So this is my look. Let's go ahead and go a little further to you guys. You guys can see my eyeshadow and whatnot, and this is a finished look. I hope you guys like it. Let's go ahead and review this product already. Let's go ahead and review this eyeshadow palette, the Hello Yellow. I don't know what you guys thought about it, but these are some beautiful colors, and there is some shimmers in there that I can't wait to use in this palette. And the colors are very pigmented. I don't know if you guys saw that, but they are really, really gorgeous. Let's talk about this Hint of Mint. Like, these are some gorgeous colors, and there's a lot of like turquoise colors, and they are pigmented, as you guys can tell from my eyeballs, because I was like, I had no idea what look I was gonna do today. So I kind of put it all together in sync and whatnot, and I'm actually surprised that it worked this way, the way it did. And oh my gosh, like the shimmer in this, you would have to put a little bit of some spray, fixed spray or whatever, and that's how you can get more of the glitter glitzy. Let's review the Splash Bash. These are some gorgeous colors, and I think the colors are so complementary that you can work with a whole bunch of these colors, and I think they go pretty good. And yeah, they are really pigmented, and they don't have any smell at all. So just in case you guys were wondering, there's no smell to this, and I'm really, really happy about it. Now let's go with a Violet Vision. We're gonna vision all these beautiful, lovely colors that we have here. And this glitter right here, I actually didn't have to put any glue or anything on there, but you can put as much as you can, or it can go on top of this color here or this color, however you guys want to do it. But it does have some shimmers. These are shimmers right here, and it does have some matte. Let's go with a duo, this eyeliner and a stamp duo. What I think about this part right here, the stamp part, is I didn't know how to use it, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get really good at it because this is my first time using a stamp eyeliner. This right here, I really love the felt tip to it, and you know, I don't know what happened here, but I'm pretty sure I will get back into this. But Sheglam, I actually like it. There's nothing really wrong with it at all, and I had no reactions to it whatsoever. So yes, let's go ahead and go with the lashes. So the lashes that I have, they are really lightweight. They don't feel heavy, and they don't like obstruct my vision or anything. So that's cool. They are not heavy on the eyes. Really like them a lot. You do have to cut them to your length or whatever. I think that's about it, you guys. I think that's all I have for you today. Just in case you guys were wondering, the lipstick that I have is Sheglam, and this is the one that I put on my lips, matte, liquid matte lipsticks. So it is called a Lullaby. I also use my Sheglam sponges. Almost every product that I put on my face is all Sheglam. So if you guys can go ahead and use my code. If you guys have any questions or whatever, just go ahead and comment down below if you guys have any of this palettes or anything, or if it worked out for you, or if it didn't, you don't like it, whatever. We'll see you guys another time. Love you guys. Bye bye.